Good morning, Varina High School. It's Thursday, January 7th, 2021. I'm Taiyla, Trice. Do you know any 8th graders who are interested in public speaking, writing, photography, journalism, cinematography, video editing, or being on camera? The Center for Communications and Media Relations will host a virtual open house this Friday at 3 p.m. Here's a short video by Senior Davis Daly explaining what we do in the center.
What's up? I'm Davis Daly, a senior in the center at Varina, and I'm about to tell you why the Center for Communications is so amazing.
The teachers.
The teachers in the center are some of the best I've ever had. Their upbeat and energetic personalities make class fun and something to look forward to. You can tell they really care and have taken the time to get to know each and every one of us on a personal level.
The assignments.
We do get a lot of projects. However, the assignments we get are fun, creative, and entertaining, not boring and stressful. Many of our assignments are in class, so we don't really have to worry about them outside of school. We do many relevant assignments and projects in the center that apply to all fields of mass communications, and they're all interactive. Many are with partners and groups, which make it way more fun.
Opportunities.
Since we do projects in all fields of mass communications, this opens up so many paths for the future, like photography, journalism, graphic design, filmmaking, even advertising, where sometimes we work with paying clients. And that was just to name a few. There are tons and tons of other careers that use the skills learned here. Other than the assignments we do in class, we also get the unique opportunities to practice with Henrico's production crew to do events like basketball and football live streams, where we get to be the production crew. Here's a clip of me being the sideline reporter for one of our home football games against Henrico High School.
From Isaiah Page, and good defense and offense. What's the game plan looking like for the second half of the game?
So, as the old saying goes, the first 5 minutes of the second half would normally tell the outcome. We get the ball coming out of.
We also get a chance to expand our knowledge with cool field trips that make the learning experience unique and bring us closer together.
The family.
Now here's possibly the most important part of the center. I'd be lying to you if I said anything other than joining the center has been one of the best decisions of my life. The everlasting friendships and bonds created with the students and teachers are unlike no other, as they are responsible for half of the fun I've had since being in high school. Everyone gets along so well, and it creates a positive atmosphere that makes class something to look forward to every day. Sometimes in life, you don't really realize how much fun you had until it's almost gone. Words truly can't explain how much I'm grateful for the people in the center. When you join the center, you're not just joining a class, but a family.
To join us, please email Ms. Kraft for the link to the meeting. A group of current students, including myself and teachers, will be there to answer any questions you may have. Come check us out. I'm Taiyla Trice. Have a great day, Varina.
I did it!
Mr. Vire, edit that out. Thank you. And if he doesn't edit that out, I'm going to be highly upset.